Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Netflix error code NW-2-5. Alright, let's begin. First, check your internet connection. Go to Settings Network on your smart TV and make sure you have a stable signal. If needed, switch to a different Wi-Fi network to see if that resolves the issue. Next, restart your TV. Unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in, or use the Restart option in the Settings menu. This helps refresh the system and can clear minor glitches causing Netflix errors. Updating your software is also important. Go to Settings, System Updates, and install any available updates. Outdated firmware can trigger network errors. Finally, clear the Netflix app cache. Go to Settings, Applications Manage, Installed Apps Netflix, then select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the NW-2-5 error. So that's basically how you can fix Netflix error code NW-2-5. That's it for this video. Thanks.